back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
That is Ryan LaRue out of Lexington, Virginia. And the 3 of Jacob Level out of Waynesboro, Virginia. And the 33 of Robbie Huffman out of Lexington, Virginia. As the green flag will wave for your first group in the 602 late models. And Ryan LaRue comes off of turn 4 looking good in that orange number 20. He will step the first time, fastest 17.439. Here comes Jacob Level. His first lap is 17.814. Robbie Huffman 18.429. As Ryan LaRue now comes off of turn 4 as he will take the white flag. His second lap is 17.284. He'll remain at the top of the leaderboard. As Jacob Level now comes off of turn 4, he will stay second with a 17.666. Robbie will improve his lap, but he remains third. As the white flag will wave for Ryan LaRue, who slips up coming off of turn 4. That's what slow his lap time down, but he will remain your top qualifier. As Jacob Level now comes off of turn 4, he comes in at 17.834. He will remain second fastest. So the first group of 602, Lizard Express, the 14. Tootie Dudley as he goes by in that Warrior Comanche race car. First race of the year for Norman Dudley was last weekend, and he is set on go here tonight as he looks for a good qualifying lap as Alan Hicks takes the green flag. So Sammy Hamilton clocks in 5th fastest so far on his first lap with a 17.725. Here comes Alan Hicks as he's trying to navigate around turn 3 and 4. He's fighting an ill-handling race car. He'll time in with an 18.854. Here comes the 14. Here goes 4th fastest, 17.619 for the 14 Pit Lizard Express, Norman Dudley Jr. Samuel Hamilton, 17.971. Is not good enough to crack the top 5. Here comes the 14 for his second lap as they'll get the white flag. Dudley goes 17.741. He stays 4th fastest. Samuel Hamilton's last lap, 17.852. Not good enough to crack the top 5. Here comes Norman Dudley for his last lap. Glad we can get that dialed in for the viewers on the Dirt Rich TV and here at the racetrack. As now on the track in the number 36, that is Darren Critchfield out of Buchanan, Virginia. The 81, that is Daniel Shuey out of Swoop, Virginia. And the 99, last year's points champion in that double nickel race car, that is Matt Duggins out of Walnut Cove, North Carolina. These 3 cars will try to take down the 20 of Ryan LaRue, who's sitting right now on the pole for the double nickel quick time. Here's the 99 will come off of turn 4. His first lap is 17.634. He'll go 5th fastest as Critchfield comes in on his second lap. Daniel Shuey now with an 18.124. Matt Duggins right now sits 6th fastest. I'm sorry. Yeah, 6th fastest, as Darren Critchfield goes to 3rd fastest, 17.525. So the scoreboard is not being updated just yet. But how about the 36 of Darren Critchfield? You know, right now we're seeing drivers that normally don't qualify too good actually sitting up on the top right here. So Matt Duggins now gets the last lap in the books, and still your fastest qualifier in the 602s is the 20 of Ryan LaRue. John Jennings sits 2nd. Darren Critchfield 3rd. Dylan Honecker 4th. And Norman Dudley Jr. is your top 5 for tomorrow night down at Wythe Raceway. All right, out on the track now in the number 11. That is Dakota Fox out of Waynesboro, Virginia. Then also the other 11, that is Tim Stalnaker, the faster pastor out of Natural Bridge, Virginia, a longtime racer here. And the 21, that is Devin Beher in the Beher's pre-owned number 21. Out on the track now is our final group of 602s are out there for their hot lap qualifying session. The time to beat still 17.284, set by the 20 of Ryan LaRue. And the 11 of Tim Stalnaker goes up to fourth fastest with a 17.575 as Dakota Fox will get the white flag as he goes 18.250. Tim Stallnaker looking good coming off of turn 4. Does the faster passer got anything better than what he had? 17.697. He stays fourth. He's got one more lap to do to crack the top spot here in our 602s. As the white checker flag will wave for Devin Beher and the 11 of Fox. Here comes Tim Stallnaker. He will go 17.647. He will stay top 4. So your top 5 will look like this as it will come out onto the front stretch. How about the 20 of Ryan LaRue, the 65 of John Jennings, the 36 of Darren Critchfield, the 4 of Tim Stallnaker, and Dylan Honecker, 5th fastest.
Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2.
Mac Air is looking to put together a good run as he goes way up the racing surface to come to the green flag. As the time to beat is a 20.576. Green flag will wave for RL Tyree. Time to beat 20.110 set by Aiden Mead in the 3 car. Mac Ayers' first lap goes 20.788. RL's first lap, he goes third fastest for RL Tyree. He's up against the top of the Speedway in 1 and 2. So he gets a good run off of turn 2 going down the backstretch. Mac Ayers getting a little swirly. That's going to slow him down a little bit. As he comes off of turn 4, he'll get it straightened up to the white flag. One more lap around the track for the 66 of Mac Ayers as RL, he goes 20.518.